Welcome. This is a morning yoga full body stretch and flow to help you wake up and get your day started feeling your best mentally and physically. We'll begin in a child's pose, so just walking the hands forward, forehead or cheek to the mat. Option here to place pillows underneath the hips, between the hips and heels, and underneath the torso for added height and support. Option to take the knees a little further apart if that feels best today as well. We'll begin drawing the breath into the chest. As you exhale, softening the shoulders, let them be heavy just for a moment. Softening the upper back, the arms, softening the fingers. We'll draw the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back as you inhale. So just letting the waistband of your pants get a little tighter here with each breath. As you exhale, softening the hips, the bottoms of the feet, and the toes. We'll gently release, coming into a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. My favorite little sequence here each and every morning. Inhale, dropping the belly. Take your gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine. Take your gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. We'll come to a neutral spine, tucking the toes and sending the hips up for down dog. Keeping a generous bend in the knees if that feels good today. Pressing the mat away from you, engaging the core. On an inhale, we'll go ahead and step to the top of the mat, coming right into a half lift, flat back. Come up as high as you need. As you exhale, bend the knees into your forward fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, the hands reach up. Exhale, take your fold. Option to bend the knees. Inhale for half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, stepping the left foot back. Inhale, reaching the hands up overhead. As you exhale, open up towards the left for warrior two. Right hand reaches forward, left hand reaches back, pointing those left toes towards the left side of the mat. Engaging the core, tucking the tailbone. On your next inhale, transition to your high lunge, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, take a little hop here into your warrior three, left heel in line with the left hip. Inhale, reach that knee up to standing all the way up into your chest. As you exhale, reach it back, warrior three. Planting the hands. On an inhale, reaching that left hand up towards the sky. Opening the hips slightly. Engage the core. As you exhale, step that left foot back, coming right into a reverse warrior. Right hand reaches up and over. Exhale, plant the right elbow to the right knee. Left hand reaches up and over. Inhale, high lunge, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, plank, lower halfway, chaturanga. Inhale for up dog. Exhale, down dog. Bending the knees. Take your time here, pressing the mat away from you. Engage the core. On your next inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, coming right into your half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step the right foot back. Inhale, high lunge. Hands reach up overhead. As you exhale, opening up towards the right toes pointed towards the right side of the mat. Left hand reaches forward, right hand reaches back. Tucking the tailbone here, keeping the shoulders over your hips. On your next inhale, transition back to high lunge. Exhale, hopping right into your warrior 3. Right heel in line with the right hip. Inhale as you come to standing, reaching that right knee up towards the chest. Exhale, warrior 3. Plant the hands. Inhale, right hand reaches up, opening up towards the right. Half moon pose. Exhale as you step that right foot back, coming right into a reverse warrior. As you inhale, left hand reaches up and over, right hand to the back of the right thigh. Exhale, go ahead and plant the left elbow to the left knee, right hand reaches up and over. On your next inhale, transition to high lunge. Embrace the wiggles and shakes. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, plank. Lower halfway. Inhale for up dog. Exhale, down dog. Option to walk the knees here, bending one, bend the other. Inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, half lift. Exhale, take your fold. Inhale, bend the knees, sit the hips low as you reach the hands up, chair pose. Tucking the tailbone. Be strong here as you reach the hands forward, lowering the hips all the way down towards the mat. As you come to your seat, lifting the heels in line with the knees, reaching the hands forward, drawing the sternum towards your thighs. We'll go ahead and straighten the left leg. Come back to center, then straighten the right. Big exhale here, engage the core as you lower all the way down towards the mat. Take your time. Planting the feet on the mat, bending the knees and allowing the knees to fall open, bottoms of feet to touch for a supine butterfly pose. Option here to place pillows underneath the knees for added height and support. Listen to the body. Draw the breath into the belly. As you exhale, softening the mid-back and the lower back. Allowing the knees to soften, the feet to soften. No tension in the toes or the ankles. And we'll gently release. Take your time here. Back stays flat on the mat as you drop both knees over towards the left. Now, option here, you can place pillows underneath the knees and between the knees for added height and support. You can do less of a twist by placing a folded blanket or pillow, as many as you need, underneath that right shoulder. Creating space with your inhales and completely letting go with your exhales, even if it's just for a moment. Inhale to release. We'll switch sides. Once again, feel free to modify. Using your inhales, creating that space. Using your exhales to sigh out any of that tension. Inhale, draw the knees back up. We'll give ourselves a big hug here. Grabbing the outer edges of the feet. You can stay here or open the feet for happy baby pose. Wherever you are, you can rock side to side. Very gentle rock. We'll release, hugging the knees towards the chest. Big hug, big squeeze. And then we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides, palms facing up and open. Taking this one moment out of our day, out of our practice, to just be and to feel the body in its fully relaxed and present state. Soaking in all the work we just did. Know that this space and this practice is here for you anytime that you need. Know that you are worthy of this time for self. Enjoy just being here, doing absolutely nothing, no stretching, no flexing, no engaging, just being here present with the body and with the breath. We'll rest here a few more moments. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side, maybe bending the knees. We'll roll over towards the right. Full inhale and exhale. Coming to a nice comfortable seat. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.